What's going on YouTube? Hunter from Double D Racing. Today we're going to be switching it up a little bit. We're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing video on some quad parts. Maybe doing a little bit of a time-lapse installation and then a first startup. Check it out. All right, what do we got today?
2016 YFZ450R.
And what do we get for this thing?
Got a monster exhaust, pro taper handlebar setup, FCI, fuel intake, Dynojet tuner,
Ooh, okay.
and a DuraBlue lowering kit.
Nice little big 3 mod lowering kit. Nice. One last final startup with this, with stock exhaust and everything. What's done to it right now?
Bone stock.
All right, we're gonna see if we can lifen her up a little bit here. Handlebar installation complete. Looking pretty fire, if you ask me. What do you think? Lowering kit. DuraBlue lowering kit installed. This girl squats now. Ooh, monster. First startup, monster exhaust. All right, YouTube, it's the next day. We ran a little bit short on daylight, so we decided to wait until the next day to go ahead and finish this video up. We got her all done. We got the handlebars thrown on. We got the DuraBlue lowering kit, the exhaust, so check her out. So what do you think?
Pretty sweet.
You want to give a start up for us?
Yeah.
This is cold start. So you like it?
Yeah, ready for the season.
What's next?
Getting some black rims for the back, throwing some Force No drag tires on her.
There you go. When you getting this thing tuned?
2 weeks from today. Fast Man Racing.
Sounds good. All right, YouTube, thanks for checking out this video. I know it's a little bit of a switch up compared to the normal just drag racing videos that we post here. Make sure you leave a comment and let me know what you think of the vlog style. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe if you enjoyed and want to see more of vlog videos like this, and hope you see you all in the next one.